Welcome to Grow Your Business in 15 Minutes. Today's class, Win Your Next Listing with Cubicasa Floor Plans. As a Miami member, you have access to Cubicasa. Maybe you're not sure, but you can actually come. Give me 1 second. When you come into Miami Realtors, you can always come and search Cubicasa, and that will bring you to Cubicasa's page. You can also search by writing in miamirealtors.com/Cubicasa. I'd like to give you information on Cubicasa and share with you this wonderful short video that they have available to you. Also, for you to know what you get for free, you get what is considered the light package. You get free 2D floor plans. You can take 5 minutes to scan and you get them returned for no additional fee in 24 hours. This can help a buyer, right, or your listing gain you what? A floor plan, which you can then use to feature and showcase what the property is like. Now, how do you get this and what else can you do? There are additional products that you have available, and all Miami members get 25% additional customizable products that we will feature and show you in a bit. Of course, to log in, you come to Miami Realtors on the homepage, click to your Miami Gateway. This will bring you to your resource panel. And you can find Cubicasa here. I have it marked as a favorite, but if you don't, you just scroll down. And here is Cubicasa. Once you click into here, it's going to bring you accept the cookies, and you can add a floor plan with room dimensions for free. If you haven't signed up yet, you click up to sign up and you put in your work email, the password that you like to use, and you continue. Now, once you've already been able to log in, you'll see that you can come in and see your dashboard, create your orders, and review the orders from the past. Now, to use this, how do you use it? Well, I did want to give you an immersive experience and show you that they do have some do's and don'ts. So, when you go into a property, right, there are some 3 easy steps here in a short video for how you would create it. And from that, I'll go and show you how you can download Cubicasa on your phone because you'll be scanning using your cell phone, something we always have readily available. Let me go ahead and get it started here. You confirm the location, you start to scan. Make sure that you have windows and doors available and that you scan the entire property at once. So if it has several floors, scan the first one completely first, and then use the staircase to go up the second floors to capture features better. Once you're done, you click to finish and you're ready to go. You can then order, get your report or CAD files, or simply order the light to get your 2D floor plan for free. Now, once you've created it, you will have a way to log in from your computer, and I want to show you what they look like. A scanned item you can come and see, and you can see the square footage, and this is something that you can come in and download. You can select JPEG, PNG, SVG, and click to download. You can use this for your presentations and more. So when you're working on a listing, you can come and use these samples that you have here in the video and say, part of how I'm going to be marketing your property is showcasing these floor plans so people can see where door openings are, etc. Additionally, if you're interested, you can order a GLA, right? Reports, even a home report. And I'm going to go ahead and download to show you what these look like. So you could pay and have a home report done for the property. Let me go ahead and show you my Adobe. And you can create something like this, a home data report with information on workspace, where rooms are, total area, a property summary, home data with room dimensions. How interesting would this be? Now, this is not what you get for free, but you could offer this to the customer as something additional that they could consider either paying or you offer. Now, coming back in, let me show you some additional things. Here we are on Google. You can also get 3D products if you're interested. So here we have several videos that you could create of a space. And how amazing would it be to use something like this, right, to showcase and feature what you could potentially do for a listing? You could also then have an item like this one with a breakdown and feature of what is available. So what do you get for free? A 2D product with floor plan, right? And let me see, you can see here in Zoom, you can see that it would mark the areas and what they are, where door spaces are, counters and information, right? All of this available to you for you to be able to showcase a listing. So when someone visited for an open house, you could have this available. You could maybe download it, make it a part of some additional uploaded items on the MLS where you can upload this as an estimate that they could use to see the dimensions and how they could use the space. And this is something additional that you provide, the 2D floor plan, the light package for free. And additionally, if they'd like to create or you would like to create more, those other products that I showed for you. Let me come in and show you. Once you've created your sign up and you've created your username and password, let's quickly visit how you would use this on your cell phone and how you could have all of these items ready to go. Let me go ahead and share my cell phone. On your cell phone, you would come to your Google Play Store, right? Or Apple App Store, search Cubicasa, select it, and then it is this product here. You would go ahead and download it. Mine is ready to be opened. And when you come in, it's going to start initializing, warming up the space. You can choose to scan, right? You can review your orders. You can learn. And then what I really appreciate is they have scanning practices for accurate floor plans here. If you'd like to use your logo, actions and how to edit your floor plans, change request, info on turnaround time, how accurate or accuracy in Cubicasa, 3D floor plans, etc. And you can choose to scan, mark your type of property and location, and then walk around the property with your cell phone and create this scan. Once you finish, you would come back in. It will notify you by email, but you can come back in into your orders. Okay. And you would simply come in and select to see. So I'm going to go ahead and select on this one. And look how great this is. You have your floor plan. You can regenerate it if you need to. Let me go ahead and pick the other one to see if I have it ready to go. Oh, I thought it was ready here. Hold on. Let me pick one that was sooner. Thank you for bearing with me. Let's see, maybe this one is ready. Here, you have your floor plan, right? And once you scan it, 24 hours later, you can share or save. And imagine being able to select here, PNG, and coming in and sharing it with all of those on your phone. So you can airdrop it, send it by email, post it on Instagram, even put it on your WhatsApp. Send it to your potential customer, select and say, your property floor plan. Wouldn't this help you win your listing? Having access to this from your cell phone, being able to post it and share it, right? And more. All of this at your fingertips. Why? Because you're a Miami member. Notice also that they offer you tours if you'd like to. Okay. And you can offer and buy additional items at the discounted rate of 25% off. So let me come back in and remind you what it is that you get. Let me share, right, from my computer screen. So what do you need to do? All you need to do is make sure to log in, find Cubicasa, right? Select, sign up for your scan and your info, create your account, and once you have that done, you can come in, one scan, endless possibilities, sign up to order for free your 2D floor plans. You could pay for 3D floor plans, pay for Cubicasa Tour, GLA floor plans, CAD files, 3D video renders, like I showcased, the home report, or a snapshot report. I gave you a glimpse of those. You can also claim your welcome free gift, get your free plus order for free on your first one that you do. So you can come and claim a free gift here. And then reasons to use it. Just easily scan with your cell phone something you have readily available, upload it, and in 24 hours or less, receive your floor plan, the 2D floor plan that you can give for free, right, to your customers. Free to you, but they don't know that. That's because you are a Miami member. I hope you've enjoyed this review of what you could do with Cubicasa. And if you have questions, always know that you can reach out to your trainers at miamire.com. I'm going to stick around for a couple more minutes in case you have any questions, but we'll be posting this along with your Grow Your Business series that we're creating on youtube.com/ Miami Trainers. I want to thank you for your membership and for having joined us. And we hope that you click through and start using Cubicasa. Thank you.